Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Most common problems with your Whirlpool refrigerators. Whirlpool refrigerator is not cooling. The Whirlpool water dispenser doesn't work. The Whirlpool refrigerator is not defrosting. The Whirlpool fridge is making a lot of noise. Call us or make an appointment online.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A standard refrigerator can run up to 17 years on average. Your refrigerator's life expectancy is affected by how well it is cared for. Some models run for up to 19 years, while others only last 10 years.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Those with group of fridges are still subject to the December 31, 2021 end date before which Whirlpool will replace P-trap parts for class members who, within 5 years of purchase and as reported to Whirlpool by a service technician, experienced ice buildup and/or water leaking onto the floor of their class.
Take our lead.
A Whirlpool refrigerator runs loud when the condenser fan motor fails. If there is too much dirt accumulated in and around the fan blades, it prevents the fan from working properly. The same is true with dirty condenser coils. If they are clogged, the condenser won't work properly and your refrigerator will run loudly.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.